Hey, Paul. You gonna smile? What are you thinking about? Hello? Oh, you've got the hiccups. Yeah, that's annoying. I know. I know. Do you want to say something about it? No? Can you say something? No.